What's up, everybody? Back with another one. Thought today's video would be very beneficial for everybody. So I just want to go over my 5 rules and steps to becoming a better person and changing the course of our future. Let's hop right into it. Rule number 1, don't be a people pleaser. I personally learned this the hard way. I realized we can't go through life caring about what everyone else thinks when they're not us. They don't feel what we feel. They don't think what we think. Most people don't even have the same goals as us. So don't go chasing something that the next person wants. Chase what you want. Rule number 2, get highly motivated, highly intentional about everything you want to do. Again, this will go right along with rule number 1. You can't care what other people want or think about what you're doing. You have to focus on you. So being highly intentional every day about reaching that goal will help you get closer to changing the course of your future. Rule number 3, let's get into it. Rule number 3, become temporarily obsessed with that goal. Don't focus on anything else if you can. If you have children, I'm not telling you to go ahead and neglect them. If you have friends or you're in a relationship, you definitely don't want to neglect that partner, that spouse, but you do have to become obsessed with this. What that will help you do is to focus. Focus is the key to consistency. Most people don't stay consistent at something because they can't focus on what they should be doing. With rule number 3, you want to make a daily checklist. You want to see your results. You want to see what you should be doing at all times. Every day you should know what you should be doing for the next day, and you should know that day if you did something wrong the previous day and if you might need to make up something to stay on track for that goal and changing the course to your future. Step number 4, let's get into it. Rule number 4, step number 4, become very, very hard on yourself and others. Before you guys start dropping some crazy stuff in the comments, this is why I say that. You want to become hard on yourself to create self-accountability. No one else outside of you is going to ever make you feel like you should be doing something you don't want to do. People only do what they want to do. So if you become hard on yourself, this will help you keep accountability on your actions. It will go right along with rule in step number 3, 2, and 1. Everything is like a well-oiled machine. You need to make sure all of these things are getting done so we can reach that goal and change the course of this future. So again, be hard on yourself, and most importantly, be hard on other people. What that will do is it will help show people, number 1, early on in your journey of changing your future, is that you're serious. You will realize that when other people look at you and expect you to do something that you said you would want to do, you'll want to do it even more. You won't want to let them down as much as letting yourself down, which brings me right into step number 5 and rule number 5. Rule number 5, step number 5, into changing the course of your future and being a better version of yourself. You need to become aggressive. You have to become aggressive with yourself and other people. Let's say, for example, you want to get a new raise at a job. You need to become aggressive about reaching that goal. You have to let your boss know and let your boss see that you're serious about getting that promotion. If you take it serious and you show other people that you take it serious, most likely they will take you serious. Let me check one thing in my notes real quick. All right, so for step number 5, also something that's very important, you need to make sure that you assume that what you want, the outcome, is going to come true. You need to believe it. You need to own it. You need to feel it. You need to be obsessed with it. Just like in rule number 3, you need to make sure everyone around you knows that you expect for this to get done. You expect for that outcome to become true. So I don't want to hold up much of your time. I don't want to make this video too long, but I did want to come over here and let you guys know what my 5 steps and rules to becoming a better version of yourself and changing the course of your future. I hope this video helps you guys. If you like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs button. Make sure you hit subscribe. I'm gonna be leaving some stuff down in the description, some links to some audiobooks and motivational channels that I watch that help me get through my journey. I hope your journey goes well. Thanks for watching. Peace.